I had a crazy day in the Ivy room, but now it's time to talk about business. Hey everybody, it's Theresa, aka Theresa Slay, and you're watching Building the Brand on Say the Slay TV. So in case you didn't already know, I launched the Sewing Starter Guide on April 6th, 2026. Lots of preparation went into putting together this ebook for those who want to learn how to start sewing. I go over different topics in the ebook like basic skills you need to master, intro to fabrics, intro to patterns, and I also have a beginner shopping list so that you know how much money you really need to get into sewing and what items you need to buy so that you're not buying things that you don't really need. I cover all of those topics so that somebody who has zero knowledge about sewing would feel extremely comfortable and confident with getting started. During the time of the launch, I only had the ebook listed for $10 for 10 days. That was a promo price, and on April 17th up till now and so on, the ebook is $19.98, so the price basically went to its original value. But now that my first ever ebook has officially gone live, how much did I actually make from it? To be honest with you, I didn't have a sales goal when I first started because this was my first ebook, my first digital product. I didn't have any idea what to expect. I promoted it as best as I could for about a week and a half to 2 weeks before the launch day, just to promote awareness and let everybody know what I had coming out. Also, I don't have a large following. I have less than, like, all my platforms, I don't have up to 1,000 followers. Nonetheless, I knew that at least one person, someone somewhere, would benefit from my knowledge and my experience in this ebook, and I was right. I made my first 2 sales during launch week, and I am super grateful for that. I have the receipts here up on the screen. So I know you see 3 sales, but one of those sales was actually a test purchase that I made before I launched the ebook, because of course, before you put something live, you want to make sure that, you know, the site's working well, that the checkout process is seamless. And I know it might not seem like a lot to some people, but to me, this really means a lot. This is my first ever ebook, my first digital product venture, and the fact that 2 people trusted me with my knowledge and my experience to help them get started on their journey, that really means a lot to me. The fact that people trusted me is what I value the most, more than the money. And honestly, not everyone starts out with a 10K month, and that's totally okay. I'm here to show you my real results, and I'm letting you know that it's okay to start small and grow gradually. This isn't where it ends. This is just the beginning. Now, let's talk about money. So since the Sewing Starter Guide is a digital product, all of the money from sales is profit. So how did I spend all of that profit? So let's go over it again. I had a total of $30 in sales. $10 was my own money from a test purchase, and then $20 was from actual customers. So I decided to be smart and reinvest those profits into a meta ads campaign in order to gain even more sales. I did just a small campaign, small ad budget of $3 a day for about 5 days. The ad campaign is still ongoing, so I'm not sure exactly how my results are yet. We'll see how it goes. And I'm doing this so that the right people can find my ebook. So that's where the $20 is going into. Now the $10 is technically a test purchase. That's my own money, which I plan on spending on myself to treat myself for a job well done and celebrate my first ever ebook. So where am I going to spend it? At one of my favorite shops. Yes, the Dollar Tree. Let's go. We are back in the car. You saw how much fun I had shopping at the Dollar Tree, buying different things to reward myself. So I bought some snacks, obviously, because duh, I bought me some snacks, I bought me some candy, and I got this cute pen, guys. I think this was like the last one they had. Obviously I wanted pink because I'm not a purple girl. They didn't have like no other color like this. You see how it has crystals in it? You guys saw that I got balloons, 100 balloons, because we are on the road to 100 subscribers. We are so close. I can't wait. I'm super excited. I'm gonna do a little mini photo shoot for once I hit 100 subs. Like I said, we always celebrate all achievements, and that is the significance of this pen. We celebrate every achievement, no matter how big, no matter how small it is. We celebrate because, baby, a win is a win.
A win is a win. A win is a win. I don't care what y'all say. A win is a win.
Hello, I'm now an author. So I'm a pharmacist, fashion designer, entrepreneur. You know, I'm a YouTuber, fiance, future mogul, author, future wife, future mom, future homeowner. It's just so many, you know, titles that I'm adding to my list. I'm celebrating that. Yes, nobody can ever make me feel like, oh, why are you celebrating that? It's not worth. No, I'm going to celebrate it because I know how hard I'm working to achieve all of these things. So I'm celebrating every single accomplishment. I don't care who laughs. I don't care what anybody has to say. Go and celebrate your own how you want to. I'm doing mine my way because it's my achievement. Thank you. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you learned a thing or two, let me know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe. Like I said, we're on the road to 100 subscribers. Let's go. Let's get it. See you guys in the next one. Bye.